Hello and welcome to the third experiment. My name is Ronak, URK17CS207. So here I will be simulating a DNS, DHCP and an HTTP server. So we begin by creating this topology. So here what we do is we create a DHCP server which will dynamically assign IP addresses to these five end users. So let us check. We select the DHCP configuration. We switch it on. We give our default gateway, our DNS server IP, and a maximum number of users, which can be anything, and we save this. Now finally, in fast Ethernet, we give the DHCP and IP address as well as subnet mask, and it shows us here. So now this will dynamically assign IP addresses to all these PCs. So let us check for this PC. We need to select the DHCP configuration, not the static, which will give us this result. Let's check another PC, say PC3. There we have it. Under DHCP, we have IP address assigned. So now what we'll try to do is we created an HTTP server. We switched on the HTTP service and let us name this page as Banjwarkar. Now we assign this an IP address. This IP address we will be entering in the DNS server, which will be the address for our URL. So here we have it. This is what we do, our URL followed by the address of the URL. We add this network. Now let us try and access that web page from this PC, from any of these end users. So as you can see, we have our web page. Even if we ping, we are able to ping one end user with the other, but only in this network. Now let's create a second network, and in this network, we'll create a server which will have the HTTP service, DHCP and DNS service switched on. We'll assign it an IP which will be the same for all. In DHCP, we assign the gateway, the DNS server, and in DNS, we'll add our URL followed by the address. So we'll after adding this, now the most important step is in the router we open our CLI commands, and we have to get the interface up and running. So we'll enter fast Ethernet 0, where we give the IP address followed by the subnet mask, and after we do this, we add the second network as well with the IP address and subnet mask. So our router using we use the interface followed by the name of the interface, and that will help us to enter the interface mode, after which we will enter our IP address followed by the subnet mask. Say for example, so as you can see in our CLI commands here, we add the interface no IP to remove our IP address before, followed by the IP address and the subnet mask. So after we do this, we just have to exit, and it will be up. Make sure to put no shut, which will cause the interface to be up and running. So our interface is up and running. Now let's check if we can access the web page of this network from this network. Let's say we take PC5. Let's try to access the web page we created in the previous network, which had the URL. So here we have it. We are able to access our first web page in this network. Let's go to the other network and check if we can access the web page of this network we created. So let us take a look at that. There we have it. We are able to access the web page we created in this network from a end user in this network. So our output has been verified and experiment is complete. Thank you.